everyone. Welcome back on the CATHAY Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Monco Ignacio speaking here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today we will be talking about two aircraft of CATHAY Pacific, and one of them have returned to Hong Kong after 17 days of storage, and the other one flew to Xiamen earlier for storage and to get reconfigured to a 77J, which is a 777-300ER. So let's talk about the first aircraft, which is an Airbus A330-300, which was formerly operated by Cathay Dragon until its closure in October 2020 because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Hotel Yankee Juliet, and she took her flight number 639 or 41. She had a great circle distance of 196 kilometers and an actual flight time of 1 hour and 3 minutes, and a ground speed of 4 kiloknots and a track of 84 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at the southern runway at exactly 12:33 midnight local time in Hong Kong, and then she landed at runway 05 at Xiamen Gaoqi Airport exactly 1:35 a.m. local time in Xiamen, China. So I'm so sorry. I accidentally swapped places. So wait a minute. She landed at Hong Kong at exactly 1:35 a.m. in the southern runway, and then she took off at Xiamen runway 907 at 12:33 a.m. local time. Sorry for the blooper or mistake. So that's okay. Apologies for this. And she stayed there for exactly 18 days, including the day she flew there 18 days. So she will most likely return to service later or tonight, just like her fellow aircrafts, Bravo Hotel Yankee, Gulf, India, and Quebec. So let's proceed to the next aircraft right now, operated by Cathay Pacific. Hold on. So here we go. So this aircraft is a Boeing 777-300ER, and she's registered as Bravo Kilo Quebec Zulu, and she took her flight number 63822. She had a great circle distance of 196 kilometers, actual flight time 58 minutes, and a track 70 degrees, as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at the southern runway at 5:01 a.m. local time in Hong Kong, and then she landed at Xiamen Gaoqi International Airport at runway 907 at exactly 6 a.m. local time in Xiamen Gaoqi Airport in Xiamen, China. Excuse me. So hopefully this aircraft will not stay long in Xiamen, and she will get reconfigured into a 77J and to get her Ara Suite business class seats as well. So for the details of Bravo Kilo Quebec Zulu and Bravo Hotel Yankee Juliet, kindly check their previous videos about these said aircrafts. So that is a lot for the videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and